Hello YouTube, the 2 Coolest 2. This is update 2 of the snowstorm Quinn that's in New York City and whole Northeast, March 7th to the 8th, 2018. It's approximately 1:45 in the afternoon on March 7th. And about an hour and a half ago, it really wasn't on the ground. And suddenly the snow just started coming down extremely heavy. And the snowfall rate really got up there. And now the forecast are calling for 8 to 12 basically in New York City. Right now the snow lightened up a bit. It looks like it's mixing a bit. Now it's come back to snow again. And it was really heavy before. Big, heavy, wet flakes coming down really fast. I don't know if you guys can hear this wind. It's almost freezing point right now. I think it's 34, 35 degrees. And so if we look over here, see the snow has accumulated. There's snow on the ground, then the mix came down, kind of slushed it up. And now it's coming back to snow again. But the snowfall rates are saying expect to get to 2 to 4 inches an hour. The storm is over. It's going to end by midnight, around there. If you take a look at this car here, stick my finger in there, that is almost an inch already. So within an hour and a half, an inch came down. So it's pretty impressive. Too bad this mix started, kind of ruined the continuing read. Hopefully it picks up again soon. Again, winter storm warning is still in effect till 4 a.m. tomorrow. There's people out will not. Probably just stay home off the roads. Fortunately, some people still have to go out. It's really cold. My hands are cold. Hear this wind. Again, the mix kind of ruined the accumulation. You already see snow falling from the traffic lights and whatnot, melting off from the rain. There was reports of, I think, thunder snow at Staten Island. There was lightning flashes. That's really windy. Pushing me. Hopefully the snow picks up again soon. Yeah, these very small snowflakes are coming down. Coming down steady. We had some big large ones before. It's pretty hard. Alright guys, I think we'll call it here. Thanks for watching. Please check out more weather videos right here on my channel. If you haven't seen the previous ones for this storm, go check them out. Rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.